what the texture is looking like. It's looking really nice and soft. And then you also get your drawstring in the nape area. This is what it is looking like on so far. Now, because this is a 13 by 6, it does overlap my ear, so I am going to end up going in and trimming off. This is how much I cut off, so it's not a lot. And as you can see now, it sits perfectly. You can see that the lace is just already blended so well to my skin, and I'm just going to lightly spray underneath the lace.